So this is the my review about Garrett Cranklight battery, which I purchased from Amazon.com, and I purchased it for $16, and I received this product in time. So let's review this product. First of all, let's take a look at the packaging. It came with a very good packaging. Now let's open this product. So here is a Garrett Cranklight battery. Let's have a closer look. Now here is a cranking handle with which we'll crank the battery. One thing I liked about this battery is that they have given a rubberized grip at both the ends and on the either side. You can see the rubberized thing. Here it is. And the other thing is that on the front side of the battery, we'll see the three LED lights that they have given, and you can see that it has a magnifying lenses that is provided to amplify the light. So that is another special thing about this Garrett Cranklight battery. And inside there are three nickel metal hydride cells. So when you charge the battery, the charge is stored in the those nickel metal hydride cells, and the charge is retained for a longer duration. And this battery came pre-charged, and to test the battery I kept it on for 1 hour and the light was still going on. So that means it has a retain it can retain the charge for a longer duration. Now let's crank the battery. Now while cranking the battery, the care must be taken that you have to crank the battery gently. Let's crank the battery for 1 minute. Okay, now let's stop the cranking, and now I'm going to put out the light, and then we'll see it practically how the light shines. So I'm now going to put off the lights. Let's see how the light shines. You can see that the light has a bright spectrum with no dark spot in the middle. Some battery, while they shine, they give a dark spot. There are two modes on which we can in which we can operate the battery. First, when you put on the light, all the three LEDs are shining, and then when you press it second time, let's see, that is the light of only one LED. So that is how you can retain the charge if you are not going to use the three LEDs for a longer time. And then when you press the button for a third time, the battery is put off. Yeah. So that was my review about Garrity crank light battery. I'm satisfied with this product, and I'll recommend you that this is a very nice battery, and you can be assured that what you pay for, what you get. Thanks for watching my review.